Hi, Miss Flores. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Luema Flores, 39 years old, born on May 18, 1985, from Tiboli South, Cotabato.
Are you single or married?
I am a single with live-in partner.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. We have 3 kids. My kids is two girls and 1 boy.
How old are the girls?
The girls is 10 years old and 5 years old, and my youngest is boy, 1 year old.
Okay. Can you tell me about your educational background?
My educational background, I graduated at Surala National Agricultural School. My course is Food Technology Technician.
Okay. Is it a vocational course?
It's a 2 years course, ma'am. 2 years diploma in food technology.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
We have 7. I have 2 brother and 4 sister.
What is your number in your family?
I am the 4th.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
I have work experience abroad in UAE for 3 years as a domestic helper with two adults and 3 kids. My job is to clean the house, cooking, washing, ironing, taking care of the kids.
Okay. When did you work in UAE?
Since 2009 to 2012, I have also, ma'am, work experience here in the Philippines for 2 years since 2020 to 2023 with 2 adults also and 2 kids. And my job also is to clean the house, cooking, marketing, and taking care of the kids.
How old are the kids?
The kids is 5 years old, 7 years old and 3 years old.
Okay. Did you finish your contract in UAE?
Yes, ma'am, I finished my contract.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as I'm a honest, loving person and dedicated to work.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad, ma'am, to provide the needs of my kids and to save their future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Can you give me an idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will show them that I care with them, play with them, and be a friend to them.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good day, ma'am and sir.